Gondor Breadcrumb Production Line. Production line can be customized. Fully mix the raw materials. Ensure uniformity of the finished product. Extruded and molded after expansion. Dual frequency modulation. Crush materials into irregular or acicular shapes. Adaptation to a wide range of materials. Drying the crushed breadcrumbs. Sorting materials by size and type. High screening accuracy. Stir the raw materials thoroughly. Extrusion molding. Cut into the required dimensions. Crush the materials. The machine can produce continuously. Finished product display. Client feedback.
I just want to show you what a great machine. I had ordered from my friends